boko ensensem no eba ye no wako. That's good. It's a good step. San se pani ntine fi nhwe ahwehan masifu amfo. Ti wa ye bamboni a o hwe no. A woda bambofo nyina no na yese wutu ana mo koye. Na onkasa ye mu nyina, in fact na me tie no from the beginning I was very happy until say the reward for say omo de omo weapons beto no yes ye be recruit omo into the security services. Na ehwo ne ha me kakra. San say yes, you were trying to de-escalate the situation. Asem sia na ye bugabugabu a ese ye ma akoma eba fam. Ye de-escalate ye anger tension no ne ade. Why are they so starting now okoni? But say o de beto so say obi de ni tuo to ho nko ade a ebema na kwanya amwa consider no for the recruitment into the police service no. We the antwa IGP, that is very wrong. Because are you trying to say the youth are fighting because of employment? Utie voices ya ye boy nyina no a. The first voice was about chieftaincy. The second one no come about market here. Land ya ohene dia ma omo ye market here. Man prusi for so be wrem ni ade a ede ohaw aba and omo ka ho asem. It wasn't about say omu nya adwuma e wa aban mu and omu nya adwuma with security services mu. Enti no omo ku. And so if you go and give them assurance, say ordinary to won kwa de abefa ne police mu a. In fact, say catch omo kura omu nkratu ni say ono so nkofa bi ne ehunu ne register ne nka omo anu nkratu no wo de to hɔ a ono so ye befa ne bi. That is exactly what is going to happen in 10. IGP Yohuno. We thought that the de-escalation strategy would have been so much perfect and excellent because of what kind of knowledge in the policing and all those over 40 years of experience. We expected much than this. In fact, the statement is not right. Because other you from other regions, are you telling them, say, so be a kofatu, na se bi odi enyambrasem, anase won tokwamu na bibi sia. Eno no wie na utimi kasa kire no di nitu abefa the police ana. You came to explain yourself, say, and you look at your qualification, the Oma process in normal. Then, if you are looking at the process or the Oma process in Mobia or qualifying it to Miakodia, then these people have been involved in war. Ebinimo Wukra have shot at people, taking lives. And truly, if we are talking about people who have committed crime, they don't qualify to be security officers. And so, what standard and other form? IGP we there amfeye. And I believe that we are first test case in terms of major issue, security issue or memo, but your comment actually brought you down, your ratings down. It mesre just set up national strategies. I would be brave. I would be do juma. Now we there. I think that I'm fair. Right to you, IGP. Yohuno. Right. Nhyira 104.5.